Good morning, everyone. We are from Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia. Today, we will like to present our 70% project progress anti-lights sarcam detection in YouTube comment using knife bias algorithms. My name is Hendra, and together with Ripaldi Pratama, Adrian Pramana, and Aditya Pratama, we will explain our project and the result we have obtained so far. Next, introduction. After pre-processing and tab IDF, future extraction, the text data was transformed into numerical features suitable for machine learning. The dataset was divided into training and testing data using and ratio. The training data was used to build the model, while testing data was used to evaluate model perform on unsent command. To overcome class imbalance, we the smooth techno Q, then three Nebius variant were trained and evaluated. Gaussian Nebius, multinomial Nebius, and Bernoulli Nebius. Their perform were measured using acuke apa nih? Precision, recall, and F1 score. Next, next Valdi. Ini kamu bang. Bang,
Nick,
ini
woi.
kamu mati bang. Mik bang. Mik abangku.
Okay. Splitting data in this stack, the data set was divided into training and the testing set. We will ask and a 40% training set and 20% testing set. The training data was used to train the classification model, while the testing data was used to evaluate model performance. Stratified sampling was applied to preserve the original class distribution, and a random set of 42 was used to ensure reproducibility of the expression. Okay, next. Smooth. Dataset contain an implementation between sarcastic and non-sarcastic comment. The issue we applied smooth or synthetic minority of oversampling technique. Smooth generates synthetic sample for the minority class using next-neighbor interpolation. After apply the fit resample method, the class distribution become more balanced. This help the naive Bayes model learn pattern from both class more fairly. The reduction be toward the majority class. Next, Adrian.
All right. Next, naive Bayes classification. Before training the models, the sarcasm detection dataset was loaded and prepared. Confactorizer was used to convert text into numerical token frequencies. Next, pure probabilities were calculated to determine the initial probability of each class before classification. The result showed that the non-Socratic class had a probability of 5,000 5,295, while the Socratic class had a probability of 4,705. These probabilities indicate that non-Socratic comments slightly outnumber Socratic comments in the dataset. Next, Gaussian naive Bayes. The first model evaluated was Gaussian naive Bayes. The process started with TF-IDF feature extraction, followed by smooth and grid search GV for optimization. The model was then trained and tested on the dataset. Based on the confusion matrix, Gaussian naive Bayes achieved an accuracy of approximately 54.53%. The result indicates that Gaussian naive Bayes was less suitable for the text classification task. All right, next presentation, delivery by Adit.
Okay, thank you. Next, multinominal naive Bayes. The second model evaluated set was multinominal naive Bayes. This model is specifically designed for text classification because it uses word frequency information. After TF-IDF transformation, smooth balancing, and grid search optimization, the model was training and evaluated. Multinominal Bayes achieved an accuracy of 59.14%, which was higher than Gaussian net bias. Okay, next. Okay, Bernoulli net bias. The third model evaluation was Bernoulli net bias. Unlike multinominal net bias, Bernoulli net bias is focused on the presence or absence of words rather than their frequency. The model was trained using the balanced dataset and optimized parameters. The accuracy of TINET was also 59.14%, matching the performance of multinominal left bias. Okay, next. Consolation. In consolation, this study compared three variants of the naive Bayes algorithm for sarcasm detection in YouTube comment. The result shows that multinominal bias and Bernoulli net bias achieve the highest accuracy of 59.14%, outperforming Gaussian net bias, which achieved 54.53%. These findings indicate the multinominal and Bernoulli net bias are more stable for text classification tasks using TF-IDF feature. Okay, thank you for your attention. Next.